Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 30 June 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 3 and name of the chapter is plants. So, student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video we have discussed why plants are so important for us, what is the reason why plants are very important to us. So let's do little recapitulation what we have done in previous video. See student, when we are talking about the living things, so plants, animals and human beings. So plants, we get oxygen from the plant, and oxygen is our living gas, as we know that why there is a very importance of plant in our life, because our living gas, that is oxygen, and we are getting this oxygen by the plants. Okay, and another thing is that plant, when we are talking about living things, then plants are the only producers. Producer means what? They can prepare, they can prepare their own food. That is the reason we say that plants are the producers. Okay, plants are, what are plants? Plants are producers. Plants are producer. Reason is that they can prepare their own food, because they can prepare their own food, and we animals and human beings, we depend on plants for our food, and there are many other things also that we are depend upon plants. We get wood from the plant, we get, there are many medicinal plants also, all, and we are getting food from the plant. So there are many things which we are getting from the plants, but the main thing is that our life is possible, reason, due to oxygen gas, and this oxygen gas is released by the plants when plant prepare their food. So at that time they take carbon dioxide through stomata, and at the time they release oxygen, and oxygen is our living gas, and we totally depend upon our on plants for our food. Okay, so that is the important thing. Now firstly student, I draw a diagram on the board. First of all, you see what are the parts of the plant, and after that we will discuss different, what are the different classification of plants also. So see, first of all understand, this is known as stem. This is known as stem. After this, I draw this part, and this part is known as branches. Is it clear? So first of all, I draw this part. This part is known as stem. Then I draw this part. This part is known as branches, and on the branches, then I draw this part. This part is known as the leaves. Step by step, you will observe all the parts step by step. First I draw this part, that is stem. Then this is branches, and these are what are attached to these branches, that is the leaves. Is it clear? Now see, what is this? This is bird. बर्ड्स मीन्स क्या होता है बेटा? कलियां होती हैं, ठीक है. When the size of the bird increase, and then after it open, it break, and then what's happen? From the inside, what comes out? The petals of the flower. Then you are able to see the beautiful flower. Then you are able to see the beautiful flower. So student, these are the birds. First I draw stem, then branches, leaves. Now this part is the bird. Now this part is known as flower. This part is known as flower. This part is known as, now this part is known as flowers. And for example, now this is what? This part is known as food. This part is known as food. Is it clear? This part is known as food. Okay, and this part of the plant, this part of the plant is known as root. Is it clear? So these are the different parts of a plant. Is it clear? So these are the different parts of a plant. See, stem, branches, stem, branches, leaves, bud, flower, and you can write, don't write food, you can write fruit. You can write fruit. ठीक है? So fruit, these are the parts of the plant. Now see student, try to understand why I draw a line. So I draw a line so that you can understand how many systems are present in the plant. That is the reason. This is a line. It shows that this portion, stem, branches, leaf, fruit, flower, bud, all these are above the line. And this root portion, this is below the line. Okay, this root portion is below the line, and stem, branches, leaves, bird, flower, fruits, they are what? They are above the line. So student, the plant is divided into two system. Plant is divided into two system. Okay. So this part of the plant which is above the line, that is known as shoot system. Is it clear? So this part of the plant which is above the line, that is known as the shoot system of the plant, and the part which is below the line, that is known as root system. That is known as root system. So these are different parts of a plant. One time I revise it. I draw a line to show you that there are two systems in the plant. Okay. One is known as a shoot system. One is the root system. Shoot system is that part of the plant which is above the ground. And root is below. It is in the soil. Root is where the root grow into the soil. So this portion is below the ground. Okay. So the portion which is above the ground, which you are able to see, that known as a shoot system. That known as a shoot system. And the portion which is below the ground, roots are in the soil, that is known as root system. Okay. Now if anyone asks you stem, branches, leaf, fruit, flower, what? They are the part of dash system. So your answer is shoot system. Is it clear to all of you? If now anyone asks you, yes, stem, branches, leaf, fruit, birds, flower, these are the part of which system? Then your answer is shoot system. Then your answer is shoot system. And what comes in the root system? That is the roots of the plant. What come in the root system? That is the roots of the plant. I hope you all are able to understand. Is it clear? So this is different. This is a diagram of parts of the plant. Okay. I hope you all are able to understand with this diagram. Now student, the next thing which I discuss with you, that the first of all I will teach you classification of the plant, and then I will tell you about the different types of a root. Okay. Then I explain you there are two types of root, that is taproot and fibrous root. Now this, okay, so first of all let understand student what are the, why there is a classification of the plants. So by seeing the size, if you go in your surrounding student, then you are able to see different types of a plants. ठीक है, हम इनको plants ही बोलते हैं, लेकिन according to their size and their roots and stem, okay, on the basis, on this base, they are divided into 5 different groups. Is it clear? For example, when you go in your surroundings, then you are able to see many types of plant in your surroundings. So how we have done the classification, or how we divide the plants into 5 groups? So that is it is based by seeing the size, stem and roots of the plant. Is it clear? That is the size, stem and root. So So student, so according to the size, stem and root, we done the classification of the plants. We done the classification of the plants. So when we discuss about the classification, when we discuss about the classification of plants, so herbs, climbers, creepers, shrubs, and then tree. So these are the five groups. These are the five groups in which plants are divided. Okay, these are the five groups in which plants are divided. That is herbs, climbers, creepers, shrubs, and tree. So these are the five groups in which, and we say it as a classification of plants. And the reason of the division is their size, their stem, and roots. After that, one by one, we will discuss all the different classification of plants. So let's start with the herbs. So plants, what are herbs? The plants with having a soft stem, सॉफ्ट ग्रीन स्टेम. ठीक है, ऐसे प्लांट जिनकी सॉफ्ट ग्रीन स्टेम होती है, दैट प्लांट्स आर नोन एज हर्ब्स. इज इट क्लियर? यू कैन नोट डाउन plants which have green and soft stem. In example, you can say mint, coriander also. There's and they are very small in size. ठीक है, हर्ब्स जो होते हैं, हर्ब्स प्लांट्स, दे हैव ए वीक सॉफ्ट एंड ग्रीन स्टेम एंड दे आर वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज. एग्जांपल है मिंट भी है, कोरिएंडर जो मिंट जो पुदीना आप लोग खाते हो बेटा, और कोरिएंडर जो हरा धनिया होता है. ठीक है, सो these are the example of this and their size is also very small. ठीक है, इनका साइज भी बहुत लेस होता है एंड इनका जो लाइफ टाइम होता है ये भी बहुत कम होता है. ठीक है, जैसे अभी हम लोग क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्लांट्स में ट्रीज की भी बात करेंगे. ट्रीज बहुत सालों तक ट्री क्या रहते हैं, लाइव रहते हैं. ठीक है, सो बट इनका जो लाइफ टाइम होता है दैट इज वेरी लेस. ठीक है, ये बहुत छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं और इनका लाइफ टाइम भी बहुत कम होता है. इज इट क्लियर? सो हर्ब में आ गया आपका प्लांट विद वीक एंड सॉफ्ट, एंड उनकी स्टेम कैसी होती है, ग्रीन होती है. सो दिस कम इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ ए हर्ब्स. नाउ द सेकेंड वन, second category, climbers. So what are these, student? These are also the plant which having a weak stem. They need support to move in upward direction. Is it clear? अगर हम क्लिम्बर्स की बात करते हैं बेटा, तो इनकी स्टेम जो क्लिम्बर्स हैं आपके, दे आल्सो हैविंग अ वेरी वीक स्टेम and they need support. So even they can take the support of the wall also, or even they can grow on, they can take the support of some other plants also. ठीक है, ये वॉल का भी सपोर्ट लेके ग्रो कर सकते हैं, और दे कैन आल्सो टेक द सपोर्ट ऑफ सम अदर प्लांट टू ग्रो. So that is the reason we say them as a climbers. Money plant is the example of climbers. ठीक है, money plant is a example of a climber. So what type of a stem they having? They also have very weak stem, and that is the reason they need support to grow upright. up direction में जाने के लिए उनको सपोर्ट चाहिए. That is the reason they can take a support of a wall also, or even they can take the support of some other plant also to grow upright. So these are known as climbers. Plants which have weak stem and cannot stand on their own, they need support. Is it clear? Need support to stay upright. Example you can write: money plant and grape vine. जो अंगूर की बेल होती है ना, ठीक है, that is also the example of this grape vine. Next, herb climbers हो गया. Plant which have weak stem and cannot stand, they need a support. Okay, and they take a support of a wall or some other plant to stay upright, and the example of this is money plant. ठीक है, और ये बेटा इनकी ग्रोथ, ये भले दूसरे प्लांट का सपोर्ट लेते हैं, ठीक है, दे टेक द सपोर्ट ऑफ अनदर प्लांट, लेकिन इनकी ग्रोथ काफी ज्यादा होती है. अगर आप मनी प्लांट है, ये वॉल को पकड़ के बहुत हाइट तक जा सकता है. ग्रेप वाइन भी. इज इट क्लियर? तो इनकी ग्रोथ तो होती है, जैसे अभी मैंने हर्ब्स में बताया था, दे आर प्लांट विद ए वेरी स्मॉल साइज. ठीक है, आपने धनिया देखा होगा, आपके मम्मी लोग लाते होंगे मार्केट से, तो आप देखते होंगे कि वो रूट्स के संग ही आ जाता है. ठीक है, इसीलिए मैंने बताया था वहाँ पे कि उनका जो लाइफ टाइम होता है बहुत लेस होता है, ठीक है, रूट्स के संग ही लेके आ जाते हैं। सो दैट इज द रीजन। अब ये जो होते हैं इनकी जो हाइट है, साइज जो है दैट इज वेरी स्मॉल, इनका साइज जो होता है वेरी स्मॉल होता है। लेकिन व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट क्लाइंबर्स, इनकी हाइट जो काफी हाइट तक ग्रो करते हैं, बट द स्टेम इतनी वीक होती है कि दे कांट स्टैंड, सो दैट इज द रीजन दे नीड सपोर्ट, इसलिए इनको सपोर्ट की जरूरत है। दे आर नॉट ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल साइज लाइक हर्ब्स, so they need a support. For example, money plant and grapevine are the examples of a climbers. Now next is the creepers. Again the common thing is that they also have very weak stem, creepers mein, as a name they creep on the ground, they spread on the ground, that is the reason name is creeper. And another one more reason, जो फ्रूट या वेजिटेबल, ठीक है, इन प्लांट्स में जो लगते हैं उनका वेट बहुत हैवी होता है, उसका वेट बहुत ज्यादा हैवी होता है, तो इनकी स्टेम क्या है, बहुत वीक है। इज इट क्लियर? इनकी स्टेम जो है बहुत ज्यादा वीक है, तो इतने हैवी वेट का फ्रूट या वेजिटेबल उस पर लगेगी, दो दैट प्लांट कैनॉट मूव इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन आल्सो, so that is the reason it creep, or you can say it spread on the ground. So creepers, what are creepers? They also have weak stem and they spread on the ground. और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज और बताई, जो वेजिटेबल या फ्रूट लगता है बेटा इन प्लांट्स में, उसका वेट भी बहुत ज्यादा हैवी होता है, सो दैट इज द रीजन आल्सो दे क्रीप ऑन द ग्राउंड और दे स्प्रेड ऑन द ग्राउंड, दैट इज द रीजन द नेम इज क्रीपर. some plants have weak stem and they spread on the ground. An example, you can say watermelon. So watermelon is the example. Pumpkin, you can also write pumpkin and watermelon are the example of such type of a plant. So three types of classification which I have explained you, that is herb, climbers and creeper. So student, when I teach you all these three classification, that is herbs, first one is the herb, then I explained you about climbers, and then I explained you about creepers. So student, what is the common thing is that all of them have weak stem. Is it clear? All of them have weak stem. When we are talking about herbs, they also have weak stem, climber also have weak stem, and creeper also has weak stem. So we will continue this topic in the next video, student. Okay, thank you student.